And there it is. Let's check it out. Before we get started, I got a couple of sticker shout outs. Apparently the Triplet Fat Bike project has garnered some attention from some people, one of whom is Old Man Fat Bike, who has a Fat Bike YouTube channel. So thanks for sending that one in. And I've been in communication with people over at Total Boat and Jamestown Distributors. We've been discussing using some of their products in an upcoming project on the channel, so look forward to that in the coming year. Anyway, I got a 2005 Ford Escape out there and the reverse lights quit working on it, so we're going to diagnose and fix that today. And there it is. Let's check it out. It's in reverse, the ignition's on, we got no backup lights. The first thing we're going to want to do is check the most likely thing, which is the light bulb. Now if you take a good look there, that bulb is just fine because this filament is still intact. When it burns out, that filament burns and breaks. The next thing we want to do is check the actual brake light switch. Now it's kind of hard to tell, but somewhere down in that spaghetti mess is a switch. Let's see if we can find it. I think if we get the air cleaner out of the way, we might be able to see it. Okay, now looking at this, right here is where the engine stops and the transmission begins. We've got the shift linkages here, these two things. Okay, and right there, a couple of wires coming out of the transmission. That is probably the brake light switch. These things are always a pain to get off. Okay, now here's what we can do is we can short those two wires. Let's see what happens. Now a paper clip would work, but I just happen to have something, a little jumper wire that's got some connectors on the ends. Okay, there it is. Now let's go test that light again. Okay, so we turn the ignition on and now we have brake lights. That pretty well confirms that it's that switch. Now we'll just go get the switch. The Ford dealer wanted $58 for that switch, but they did have it in stock. The Napa dealer did not have it in stock. They wanted $121. O'Reilly did not have it in stock. They wanted $69. I got it for $27 on Amazon Prime, delivered the same day. Okay, now we just get in there. Man, that thing's tight. Well, I kind of broke it getting it out. But the new one's the same length, so I'm confident this will work. One thing I didn't mention earlier is you want to clean that area off so nothing drops into the transmission. And it did not need to be anywhere near as tight as it was. That's plenty. And there it is, installed. Let's test it. Ignition on, put it in reverse. Well, that was an easy fix. I love knowing how to fix stuff. Now we'll just put the air cleaner back. And that actually looks like it could stand to be changed. Friends, it has been a really great year, and I can't thank you enough for your support of the channel. I want to take a moment to say whatever flavor holiday you may celebrate at this time of year, make sure it's a really good one and enjoy it with your friends and families. I've had nothing but fun creating this content, interacting with you folks and even meeting some of you this year. I look forward to more of the same and maybe even some collaborations with some of you in the coming year. And if that interests you, please don't hesitate to drop me a line. But that's all for this week. Thanks for stopping in. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click up here to see my last video. Click over here to see something of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. And have a good one.